At Bharti AXA, we've been on the path of doing digital transformation over the last 3+ years. And I think AI is one of the very important levers of any digital transformation for the organization.
We've been listening to employees through town halls, chart connects, focus group discussions, one-on-one sessions, but it's never enough. And that's where AI plays a big role in helping us connect with employees when they want to and when we want to. We've been working with Infido's Amber since 2019, and it's played a big role in connecting us better to employees and just listening to them. We have about 84% of our employees who speak to Amber.
When I joined, it was just 15 days and I received this mail from Amber asking me how I'm feeling. So it was like not just asking me, but also caring to know if what is really the feedback. When I saw a few changes happening in the organization or the policy, I could relate back, okay, I share this with Amber and I'm quite happy about the way actions are taken.
And every board meeting, I present the Amber scores and we do have a detailed discussion about it for what's happening across different head office, non-head office, functional levels, what's really going on. The Wonder Women Council is one of the output of how we've really heard women and what are their concerns and weaved it into a 12-month program for women. You know, every morning when I check my emails, there is this email that comes in from Amber and it tells me people to meet cases, which is a feature I really like. Amber acts as my HR business partner for that particular individual at that point of time.
Life insurance is a highly regulated business. As part of onboarding any new technology platform, it is very critical for us to evaluate the platform in all aspects of security. Amber Act surpassed all of these requirements on security for us, which really helped us to onboard this platform much faster.
With Infido's AI tool, the analytics, the people science and human expertise, all three are combined together, and that helps having a very personalized conversation and provide solutions to the employee in real time. It's how we ensure that our workplace isn't where we work, but it's actually where we thrive. It's a winning combination.